Okay, so now today we are finding the mean of group data, right? In your previous classes, you find the mean of some values, suppose x1, x2, x3, right? So simply you are finding here x bar equal to sigma x upon n, right? When variables are very less, so we can find the direct x bar means mean. Today we are finding here mean of the group data when class interval are given. Different classes are given and frequency are given. Now let us see how to find the mean of such questions. So here there are three methods. First, I'll tell you about the direct method, then assume mean, and then step deviation method. Okay. Now we see one by one. Now first, you see, suppose this is your question. Find the mean, right? Class interval is given 0, 10, 20, 20 to 30, and so on. Now frequency this is given. So this is already given in question. Okay. Now what is your first step for the direct method? Okay. Simply find xi. Right? Instead of here, you just mark here xi here. Okay. Very close to class interval. You get easier to find out a calculation. Number note it. Okay, instead of write xi here, you write just near the class interval. Okay, then now what is xi? You know your previous class, xi means mid value class mark, and very easy to find out. Okay, you simply common sense in between them. It means lower limit plus upper limit. 10 by 2 means 5. Okay, and you see these are continuous classes, right? So no need too much calculation. Without wasting time, simply difference how much? 10. Just proceed. 5 plus 10, 15. Very good. Then 10, 25. Then 10, 35. Okay, then 45. Then what? 55 and 65. Isn't it? Once again you see, right? Simply you find the first mid value, then simply write the classes length of the class, or you can say height of the class. Reference 10, so just 8, 10, 10, 10. Will 35 in between here, 45 in between here, 60 to 70, 65 is here, isn't it? Now see, direct method means sigma x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Means you have to multiply sigma means sum. First you find fi into xi. This is very simple calculation. Each and everyone can do it. Now you are the class, no matter 9, 10 or any classes, you can simply multiply. 5 4 ja 20, isn't it? 15 4 ja 60. Simple calculation. 25 into 7, okay, 175, isn't it? Then this is 350. Okay, here you multiply 45 by 12. Rough calculation you can do 90 and 45. Okay, 0, 4, 540. Isn't it? So simply 55 into 8. You can multiply here 55 into 8. 8 5 is 40. 4 carry 440. This is 440. Okay, and 65 into 5 you can multiply. You get here 3, 2, 5. Clear? So in this way, simply multiply the mid value into frequency. Clear? Now add them. So you will get here 1910. Okay, by adding them. Now here 8. This is 50. Simply apply the formula x bar equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Clear? So x bar, this means mean, sigma fi xi here 1910 upon 5050. Just you cancel it and find the answer. 191 divided by 5, you will get here 38.2 something is your answer, right? So pause the video and note down it. Now the same question, now we are solving by assume mean, and it is quite easier, right? Now here you have to do the rough work. There is no need. Clear? So now you see it very carefully. Okay, this I am going to rub, right? So in every question this remains same, both the question. This we have to find out whether first method, second or third, no problem. You have to find out this xi in every three questions. Now in assume mean we need di. Di means xi minus a. Okay. Now see, very important, what is it? A means assume. You have to assume from xi. Okay. Any digit you can assume. Right? Suppose I assume here 25. Okay. This is our a. You can take 35 also, no matter. You can take 45 also. You can take 15 also. Okay. But I am taking here 25 because it is a center box. So you can take 35 also. Right? So, or you want to take 35, you can take 35 also. This one. Clear? If someone don't want sir 15, you can take 15 also. Right? 45 also. Here we are taking 35. Okay. Right? Anyone can 25, one can take 35 also. No matter. Okay. So when you have taken a 35, in front of that, just write 0. Clear? Now understand it very carefully. Di. Then you know what is the difference here? 10. So upward direction you plus to minus 10, minus 20 and minus 20. Simple. You can write each and every question. Here 10, 20 and 30. Difference of the class interval. I put here 0. Then no difference of 10, 10, 10. So increase 10, 20, 30, 10, 20 and 30. No need to calculation here. You definitely will get here. Then Fi di, right? Just simply multiply here. Minus 120 minus 80 minus 70 and this is 0. Then 120. Okay, 80 is 16, 160. This is 150. Isn't it? I have done Fi into di. Multiply both the column. Now see, this is you will get 270 minus 270. Okay, and here 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 3 and 1 2 3 4, 4 30. Clear? So find answer. 430 minus 270, you can subtract here, minus 270. Okay, 0, 4, 6 and 1. So answer 160. Right? Then apply the formula of assume mean. X bar equals to A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. Okay, means A 35 plus 160, okay, upon 50 has gone 35. When you divide 16 by 5, you will get 3.2. So answer is 38.2. We will get the same answer as we got it that method. Now I hope that you pause and note down our previous method, assume mean. Now I am taking a step. Derivation method is very important and very simple. Right? You see. Again, Ci and Fi is given. Xi we have to find out. Clear? And this time write here Ui. Ui means what? Pi upon H means Xi minus A by H. H means the class interval, that is 10. Okay, just to leave it. No problem. Again, as you have taken A, assume mean. Okay. Whatever you let assume mean, just inform that mark G. As in the previous question. Right? So, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Simply, here 1, 2 and 3. Each and every question. Okay, the class interval are same. Whatever you let the assume, okay, that is 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, means 35 minus 5 divided by 10, definitely you get minus 3. Don't worry about it. Then find Fi ui. Fi ui means this multiplication. Clear? Becomes very simple. Minus 12. Okay, calculation is very less. Minus 8. Right? Then minus 7. Okay? Then yes 0. Then 12 1 ja 12, 8 2 ja 16, 5 3 ja 15. Okay, add it and add it. 20 and 7 minus 27. Okay, here 6 to 8 plus 5 3 1 carry 43. Right? So 43 minus 16 we get here 16. Isn't it? This is the final answer of ui, sigma ui. So x bar equals to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. This time h. Okay, because we divided it h, so write into h. In assuming we have not write h. Clear? So this is the main difference here. It means just we have taken the common. The difference of the 10 is what? 10. This is 10. H. Right? So here we'll get a means 35. Okay, FIUI 16. Okay, upon 50. This is our class interval, length of the class interval, that is 10, 10, 10, everywhere 10, 10 here. Here we divide, so here we multiply. Okay, you can check your previous question. Of course, we are getting the same answer. 0 and 0 has gone. So finally we get here 35 plus 16 upon 5 means here. So I can write here. Okay, x bar 35 plus 16 upon 5. Okay, that is 3.2. So the answer is 38.2 is the mean of the group data. So clear? So in all three methods you can find the mean. Okay, when class interval is same, right? To find the direct method we are using only where some less calculation are here. Okay, these are very less. Then you take the assume mean and simply step derivation method. This method is very easy. Simply we getting only 0, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, just pause down it and do some questions for practice. Okay, so